So, lovelies, I know you all have been waiting for my answer about completing 12th standard syllabus, and it is kind of good and also kind of a bad answer. I mean, I don't know, but you might get really motivated or you might get demotivated after hearing my answer. It is not easy to complete your whole syllabus in just 10 days. If it was possible, मतलब ये अगर पॉसिबल होता तो पीपल मतलब बाकी के दूसरे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो लाइक हर साल मतलब एक साल नहीं लेते और टीचर्स भी एक साल नहीं देते हमें प्रिपरेशन के लिए. सो या सो द आंसर इज नो. I was not able to complete my whole syllabus in just 10 days. And there is a valid reason for that, let me tell you. And the reason is I was not able to study as much because of my design exams. Like, if you have ever read my uh, description, you might know that I'm giving UCID and NID design entrance exams. So yeah, in my design class, there were these exams, I mean, mock tests for that. That's why I was not able to study and focus on my 12th syllabus completely. So yeah, that is the reason why I was not able to finish this routine or this plan that I made. I was totally realistic on with you guys. I mean, I didn't want to give you any unrealistic advice like, yeah, you should complete your syllabus in 7 days. I know completing all 12th standard syllabus in in 10 days is like so hard, but yeah, it's totally okay. I gave myself a little challenge, and yeah, I'm proud of myself for that, and you should be too. I completed 3 chapters of maths, 2 chapters of physics, and 2 chapters of chemistry in these 10 days, and which is totally okay. I guess, I don't know, but I'm grateful for myself for at least completing 7 chapters. And yeah. And thank you so much, guys, for 1000 subscribers. It really means a lot. And let's just study together, you guys. And yeah, so yeah, guys, this was the update, and I just really wanted to be really, really realistic with you all. I mean, I would never want to give like any unrealistic advice like complete your syllabus in 7 days, get 96%, get 100% in just 10 days. I mean, it's literally not possible. I mean, if you're genius, so intelligent, it might be, but I don't think it's possible to complete whole syllabus in like just 1 week, 10 days, I don't know. But yeah, this was just my attempt on trying to complete my syllabus in 10 days. As I said, I was just trying. I just wanted to give myself a little challenge to, push myself. And so yeah, I was not able to complete because of my design exams, but I'm really happy that I at least completed 7 chapters. So अगर मैं ये चैलेंज नहीं लेती तो मेरे 7 चैप्टर्स भी आई गेस नहीं होते, मतलब मैं पूरा नहीं कर पाती 7 चैप्टर्स भी. सो या, I am glad I took this challenge, and I am going to be sharing like more realistic challenge again. I'm going to be sharing more realistic plan where I have included the revision time, PYQ solving time, and one shot timings also, because I think it's really important to watch one shot video lectures from YouTube, because they help so much last minute. So I'm going to be making the whole new plan. Like, it will be realistic, and it would be till the end of December. I mean, we will be doing lectures also. After that, we'll be doing some problem solving, PYQs, and we will be doing revision and one shot video lectures as well till the December. So stay tuned for my new planner, and let's just study together, you besties, because exams are near, and I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. and please love yourself. Please do not beat yourself up. एंड या अगर आपने नहीं किया होगा ये चैलेंज कंप्लीट 10 डेज में, अगर आपके नहीं हो गए 10 चैप्टर्स, इट्स कम्प्लीटली ओके. मतलब it's totally fine. Don't beat yourself up for not completing your syllabus and not studying, because it's totally okay and we are gonna ace our exams. And yeah, keep affirming yourself that you guys are the best. I mean, you guys are miraculous, you guys are powerful, you guys are abundant. So please do not beat yourself up for not completing your syllabus or for not studying. And yeah, love yourself always and keep studying, stay hard, and I'll see you in my next video.